In this video, we will be discussing about the syllabus of Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship. Syllabus. There will be a multiple choice aptitude exam which will probably be conducted by IIM Bangalore itself. The exam will be conducted at each of the state capitals and the exam is going to be pen and paper based. There is going to be 4 sections for this exam. First section is general awareness, which includes Indian economy, geography, history and polity with special reference to public administration and governance, etc. We can't really say from where they are going to ask questions. Still, my suggestion would be to go through topics such as Indian Constitution, name of states, capitals, important rivers, when they were created, governments, how administration is done at state or district level, names of important political figures, knowing about revolutions, how India got independence. I hope you got a general idea. If you ask which book you should use, probably I will say NCERT textbooks, but I cannot guarantee you from where they are going to ask questions because it is so vast. There are many other good books available for the topics I said, like India Polity by Lakshmikant. People who are preparing for UPSC or SSC should be familiar with it. Time is definitely a problem. You may not be able to read all the books in short time. And I think only 10% of questions will be asked from general awareness. So spending your time on reading it all may not be worth it. Another thing you can do is to go to different UPSC, SSC websites and keep doing some random questions. I will also collect some questions and upload in this channel. This is all I can say about general awareness. The next section is the quantitative ability, which is basic mathematics, usually up to 10th level, but they will be difficult to solve. Third section is data interpretation and logical reasoning. You might get graphs or a set of data and questions can be based on that. For example, you might be given the number of cars sold by a dealer and the profits they made for a period of 5 years. Then questions like what was the percentage of profit they made or much complex questions can be asked. We will look into them in detail in coming videos. Fourth session is verbal ability and reading comprehension, which will contain English passages. The passage might contain 400 to 500 words and there will be questions relating to understanding the passage. There will also be questions which test your overall ability to use English. I will give you an example question. What is the time dash your watch? You have to fill it out with a preposition. Let the options be on, off, by, in. The answer here is by. What is the time by your watch? We will talk more about questions in the coming videos. I'm thinking that the last 3 sections will be for 30 marks each and then the general awareness for 10 marks. This is probably going to be the proportion of questions and the possibility is 22 each from 3 sections and 4 or 5 from general awareness. If you have written CAT exam before, you will be familiar with these sections. If you don't, it is okay because we will do the official sample paper. The video will be uploaded soon and you will get a proper idea about each section. If you are new to this channel, we have already uploaded 2 videos about references and detailed explanation of statement of purpose in case you want to check it out. If you find the video useful, consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you, stay safe and see you again.